Oh. Generate inverted pyramid from asterisks. I feel like I don't know enough string manipulation to do this in a fancy way. I think what they want is a nested loop because they had talked about that, right? So we could probably do a nested loop. So n is scanner int, scanner dot close. All right, that's how we close it, and then so we go for, let's do int r equals 0. No, r equals n while r is less than, no, r. We're gonna want to start at the top for simplicity. So we start at n. It doesn't really matter where we start on the rows, right? Because that's not what's gonna dictate how many levels we add. So while r is less than n, r plus plus. Now in here we do for int c for column equals 0 while c is less than n, c plus plus, and then we're gonna have what we need to do is do here. So inside here we do string row equals, in here we do row plus equals asterisk. And then here we do system.out.println row. Now let's think about it. That's not going to work, right? Because we're not doing anything to n. So here we need another variable, I think, int length equals n, right? So it's like 5 and then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length should start there. So this should actually be 0 and this should be, dude, I can't with this. I just don't have the patience today. I don't want to sit here and do this. And it's just changing the code in front of me. I can't do it. I it won't let me. It's so annoying. Like unbelievably annoying. I need to. It's unreal. It's unreal how bad that is. I don't think anyone who implemented it actually uses it. Like, there's no way they sit here and be like, yeah, that's good. 2 seconds, anyone can type the solution in 2 seconds. No way. No way they use it. Okay, so now what's going to happen? We'll do that, but the thing we need to do now is do length minus minus, right? Because we need to say like 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. All right, let's try it. Typo, don't count it. Nice. Number is divisible by 6. Find the sum of numbers divisible by 6 in the given sequence of natural numbers. The first line of the input is the number of elements in the sequence. The next lines are the elements themselves. It is guaranteed that there is always a number divisible by 6 in the sequence. Find the number, the sum. What? So we loop through. This doesn't tell me how it works. This is probably the number of inputs. Oh, yeah. The first line of the input is the number of elements in the sequence. I wonder if there's like a... I mean, I'm sure there is, but I wonder what it is to just say scanner.exhausted or something, or no input, scanner.close. Come here, and then we'll say scanner, no. So int number of inputs equals scanner.next int. And now for int I equals 0, I is less than number of inputs, I plus plus. So now for so now we need int input equals scanner.next int. If input mod 6 equals 0, then do that, else we do nothing. So we need an accumulator int equals, or here, let's do int result equals 0, and then we'll do result plus equals input. And then down here we have system.out.println result, semicolon. One line condition with ternary operator. Ternaries often to assign different values to a variable depending on certain conditions. You may do it conveniently with the help of ternary operator. Provides a compact way to express simple conditional statements instead of writing lengthy if-else constructs. For basic conditions, you can use the ternary operator to achieve the same result in a more concise manner. A ternary operator is an operator which evaluates conditions. Sometimes the ternary operator is more readable and concise than the if statement. It's more concise, but I find that it's rarely better. But it does reduce the number of variables needed sometimes, which can be helpful, like this. If this code is more concise than the code above, this code, isn't it? See, I don't think you should ever do that. As soon as you have more than one case, you shouldn't use it, in my opinion, but this will be fun. A is greater than B. True. Oh, dude, what is going on? Are you serious? And if A is greater than C, then return A, otherwise C. If A is greater than B is false, then B is larger. Is B greater than C, then return B, otherwise C. So it finds the max of 3 numbers. Select one option from the list. Yeah. What is the correct general syntax of the ternary operator? If condition question mark, true case, else case. What? Oh, that's misleading, but whatever. I'll take it. I get it. Write a program that takes an integer as input. If the integer is positive, print positive. If the integer is negative, print negative. If the integer is 0, print 0. 5 positive, negative 3 negative. System.out.println. Also scanner.close. Why don't they add it? Unbelievable. Num is greater than 0. Then positive. Is it? Yeah, positive. There it goes, telling me the answer before I even do it. Num is less than 0, then negative, else 0. Check if a given number is equal to 10. Given a number, write a program in Java to determine whether this number is equal to 10 or not. Your program should take a single integer as input and print equal if the number is 10. Or not equal otherwise. Sample input 10, sample output equal, 20 not equal. Like, this is easier than the problem I just did. Close. It's weird that I did the harder problem first. Num. Select one or more options from the list. If B1 is true, B2 is true, B3 is true, it returns. If B1 and B2. So it has to be this, or so if they're both true, it actually doesn't matter, so it's not that. If either one is false, right? Then B2 or B3, B1, B3 is false. It returns 20, but you would only get to B3 if B2 was false, but we say it's true here, so it's not 20. If B1 is false, B2 is false, and B3 is false, definitely not that one. If B1 is true, B2 is false, so B2 is false. B3 is false, then return 30, yeah. Dude, no way. There's no way I'm wrong with that. Oh my god. There's just, okay. If B1 is true, B2 is false. Okay, so we're here. B2 is false. And now B3 is false. So these are both false. It returns 30. There's literally no way it could be anything else. If B1 is false, okay, so we're here already. If B2 is true, okay. And B3 is false, sure. It returns 20. Okay, so two of these are true. This one's all, oh, I see. Select one or more. Psh. Oh, stupid. To play Boolean detective. Public. Static. Int. Or double. We could do double. Please. Oh, come on. Public. Is it the capital? Probably. Yeah. Go to study plan. In this stage, you will program the bot to count from 0 to any positive number the user enters. Your age is 22. Int target equals scanner dot next int. Also unbelievable. Got it. No way, dude. What? Does it want it from 0? Oh my goodness. Okay. You're the boss. Didn't read the directions? That's on me. Well, look at this. 24 minutes left and only one thing. Work on project. Oh, it's not even a lesson. At the final stage, I'm about to complete my first project, bro. At the final stage, you will improve. Didn't they say something about adding it to GitHub? Like, what? At the final stage, you will improve your simple pod so that it can give you a test and check your answers. Focus. I can't silence all notifications. Hopefully they don't pop up. At the final stage, you will improve your simple bot so that it can give you a test and check your answers. The test should be multiple choice quiz about programming with any number of options. Your bot has to repeat the test until you answer correctly. Your bot can ask you anything you want, but there are 2 rules for your output. The line with the test should end with a question mark character. Okay, an option starts with a digit. If the user enters the incorrect answer, the bot may print a message. Please try again. The program should stop on the correct answer and print, congratulations, have a nice day. Let's see, how do we use methods? 1, to repeat a statement multiple times. Why do we use? To decompose a program into subroutines. To interrupt the execution of a program. Try again. 2, to decompose. Congratulations. All right, let's build that, I guess. Whoa! This is a lot. Interesting. How do I get yeah, that's one thing I don't like here. How do I prompt the user? Or does it just wait? Let's test your programming knowledge too. Okay, so let's just build this exactly. Why do we use methods? I feel like there's no way they taught us this. What I would do for, let's do something like this. String scanner. Do I have access to scanner? Yeah. Scanner equal, no, answer equals, oh, I need to A, B, C, D, right? We'll add those in a second. Answer equals scanner dot next line. Is it supposed to be an int input? It is. Okay, so scanner equals int next int, and then we're gonna know the answer. So let's first add these here. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I know how to break a loop. So this goes outside here. Okay. If answer equals 2, then else please, comma, try again. That should do it. So like it scans the input, checks, wrong, rescans the input, checks, correct, break, program end. Let's see. Oh, oh, typos. Okay. Still might have it right. Oh, because I didn't add test. Oh, so end. Nice. Don't even have to. Nice. Should I do this? I'll do this later. Share feedback. It felt strange. Reflection is about you becoming aware of your own learning process. Please write down what you have learned. It says share feedback. Then it's telling me to, like, what? Oh my god. That's really confusing. All right, well, let's keep going. Repeat what you've learned. We recommend you to repeat 5 topics? Dude, what? No way I'm repeating anything. I'm done with this. How do I get out of here? Map. What? No. Study plan. Oh my god. Here we go. What? Should I just jump down here? Oh, it goes over like what is databases and stuff. Collectors, decrease and conquer, stack and heap memory, abstract factory. I'm sure it'll be good. Should I just start going down and... course. I was looking for another project. I don't see one though. Oh, here we go. Didn't I do a project? Oh, I see. Challenging. Contacts. Password hacker. Graduate. Okay, these are a lot different than what I thought. I thought it was all like this. 100% match. Fastest to complete. Oh. Hard. I mean, I'm a software engineer. Shouldn't I be able to do this stuff? You will learn how hacking works. You will work with streams and different collections, and you'll learn about the powerful features of the Java Collections framework. You will practice developing a client app and connecting to a server. Oh. Actually, some of this sounds pretty interesting. What's the hard ones? 11 minutes left. Smart calculator. Encryption detection. JSON database. Oh, I thought I was going to build a database. I was like, wow, okay. I mean, this sounds interesting, right? Oh, this is super interesting. I think this is what I want. Like, yeah, this is totally what I want. Instead of just doing these little mini lessons, you can work towards something. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, it makes me get IntelliJ too. Interesting. Okay, let's just do this. Personalize your plan. Let's see what they say. I forgot what this did last time. Truth about fixed array size arrays. The length of the array is immutable. Yeah, probably. The process of adding or removing elements is efficient. No, because it has to recast. Oh, wait. If it's a fixed size array, then it would be efficient. All the elements must be of the same type. Yeah, because it needs to make enough room for each type. We can easily read and modify any elements. Read and modify any elements. I don't see why not. You could index-based access them. Was I right? I guess that means I'm wrong. It didn't even say why I was wrong. We can easily read and modify. I don't know if that one's true. Process of adding and removing elements, it should be more efficient, right? Because in JavaScript, like, it sets aside some memory, and if you go beyond that, it has to actually build a new array in the background. So I think this is true. The length of the array is, like, why wouldn't that be true in Java too, with a dynamic array? The length of the array is immutable, and all elements, like, I don't know if I'm right or wrong here. It must be wrong, right? I don't understand what's going on. It's just no feedback at all. This is getting a little silly. I feel like those two alone wasn't it. Okay, I cannot solve that problem. Interesting. As you know, the world of Java uses bytecode as the foundation stone. From these options, which are valid ways to create bytecode? Write code in the JVM language and use its compiler, right? That's writing Java. Run your program on at least 3 different computers and combine their outputs. That doesn't make any sense. Implement a program in Java and use JVM to generate O. Bro, are these trick questions? Like, what's going on? Okay, I'm over this. It's gotta give me some feedback, dude. What was that? That was awful. Oh, man. There are several groups of basic types divided by meaning. Types from the same group operate similarly, but they have different sizes and, as a result, represent different range of values. You don't need... Oh, God, yeah, this is fun. The sizes of types are always the same. They do not depend on the operating system, hardware, and cannot be changed. The most commonly used integer types are long. Oh, man. This 4 minutes cannot go by any slower. Characters. Java has a type named char to represent letters, uppercase and lowercase, digits, and other symbols. Each character is just a single letter enclosed in single quotes. This type has the same size as the short type, 2 bytes equals 16 bytes. Char, lowercase letter, uppercase letter, dollar. Okay. Character represents symbols from any alphabets or glyphs. That's cool. Booleans. But its size is not precisely defined. All right, let's try and get the first one done. This is 127 to 128. Oh, what? Oh, no. Minus 128. Why is that? I should have probably read that. The first bit leftmost digit in 2's complement represents the sign. And 1 is negative. The maximum positive number with 8 bits is 0, which of course, yeah, because, okay. Because 1 byte can hold 200. Oh, so like technically with bytes, 0 is positive. It's like on the like the line shifts. Okay, I think maybe that's the wrong way to think about it, but that's how I'm seeing it in my head. Is like there's a line, and like 0 can't sit on the line. The line has to be on the left side or the right side of it. Okay, and so it goes to the right side, but since there's a fixed length on either side of the line, it takes 1 away. Okay. I don't know if that makes any sense, but we're going with it. Match each Java primitive data type with its appropriate description. Oh no. Represents true and false. Boolean. 64-bit floating point precision for calculations. We'll go with double there. 8-bit sign integer, large arrays or memory saving. This is char. And then 8-bit. Easy, bro. All right, I'm done after this question. Leave the page. What are sizes of float and double data types in bytes? Select one option from the list. Float, -4 bytes. Double, minus... What? What are the sizes of float and double data types in bytes? I think it's this. I do not know. I've always been so bad with this stuff. I need to just like know it. I need to just learn it is what I mean, not just know it. No one just knows anything. What did I do? Did I do 4 and 8? No, I did 8 and 16. I guess it's that. 4 and 8. Okay. All right. That's it. I'm done. I'm finished. Good work, team.